Hey, what's going on, everybody? Josh Smith here again. I'm excited to dive into a new video today. And what I want to do is share with everybody how I was able to go from a complete beginner on June 1st with my affiliate marketing journey to now just a little over a month later and almost done 10K in revenue. I just want to share that with you guys. I got a suggestion the other day that, hey, sometimes you get talking and some of this stuff can be really confusing. So again, we've been trying to put out a whole bunch of beginner tips. Go back and watch my last videos. We're trying to do things very beginner friendly to make it as easy as possible for you guys to get started. So today, what you're looking at here, I put together just a quick little presentation. I'm going to show you guys all this stuff behind the scenes. We're going to go through this pretty quick, but what I call this my winning edge, or my winning edge formula, and it's real basic. I've just highlighted the main points that you guys need to know and you need to understand to how to go from complete beginner to start actually making money online. So here we go. This right here is your roadmap to success. Let me zoom in just a little bit here. We're not zooming. Why are we not zooming? Okay, can't zoom in. So anyway, right here, the first thing you're going to want to do, and this it gets overlooked so much, is step one to your roadmap to success is to determine your why, right? Like, why do you want to get started? Why do you want to make money online? What video did you see that piqued your interest, and what sparked inside you that said, hey, this could be for me. I want to learn more. What is it? Like, for most people, it's like they want the freedom that it brings. They don't realize it until they dive deep down. But having more money, generating income online, having automated systems that bring in income, provide freedom for your life. So for me, it's that freedom, the freedom to spend more time with my girls. Like, I've got two beautiful baby girls. I've got an amazing wife. And to be able to pay off all our debt and just live financially free and financially sound because of this extra income that's coming in, and be able to go on vacations and just at a drop of a hat, just be able to go paddleboarding with my wife and things like that. So really it's I want to share, I want to give back, I want to teach other people how to do this. So like, by bettering my own financial situation, I get to help others better their financial situation. So that's my why. So figure out why you want to get started. And then from there, you want to select the people you want to serve, right? So if you're watching this, right, I've probably served you in some sort of way, whether it's my YouTube channel, my TikTok channel, my Facebook group, my email list. Like, I'm constantly trying to put out new tips. I'm constantly trying to share with you guys the things I'm learning in hopes that it will help motivate you. So for me, the people I really want to serve are people who are very similar to me. They want to learn how to make money online. They've come from a bad financial situation. Maybe they mismanage money. Maybe they're in debt. Maybe they just don't make enough money to provide for their family. So that's the type of people I want to serve. So step one, determine your why. Step two, select the people you want to serve. And a lot of times those people will be built off of your why. Then from there, you're going to want to select a product you believe in. And this is huge. And it's been a huge reason for my success so quickly. Too many people go out there and they teach ClickBank training and they're like, oh, select a random product off here. It's got a good gravity score. It's got this, it's got that. Yes, that's all good things to look for when you're selecting an offer. But in the end, you don't want to promote anything that you wouldn't use yourself or that you haven't used yourself. And that's where you're going to find the biggest long-term success, is when you promote a product that you believe in and that you've used yourself. So like, if you follow me on TikTok, you see the legendary 15-day challenge. I've got a funnel right inside my TikTok profile that introduces people to it and gets them to be a part of that 15-day challenge, because I went down that challenge and it provided absolute clarity and direction for where I wanted to go in my online business and to start making money online. So why would I not share that with other people? Like, I have a success story there. So it's so easy for me to go out and feel good about making that recommendation and introducing other people to that through sharing my story. So that's what I highly suggest. I highly suggest researching some products. If you're not in that 15-day challenge, you can get in it. The link will be in the bio down here. Check it out, go through it, and maybe it's the solution for you. And maybe that's what you want to start promoting too, to start making more money online and start teaching other people how to make money online and better their financial situation, create more freedom in their lives. So once you have that, Once you have a product that you believe in, the next step is building that funnel. And let me just go here real quick. That's not the right one. Let me slide this down just a bit. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Let's see. Not in the right spot yet. Okay, so here we go. Like, look at this. This is yesterday, right? 280 contacts, 288. The day before that, I had like 205. Today, it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning. We've already got 42. So like, you absolutely need a funnel. And so we'll go behind the scenes real quick of, here we go. So I got a whole bunch of different funnels, legendary funnel, TikTok profile. Bam. So this is the funnel right now that is in my TikTok profile. And again, if you guys don't have ClickFunnels, go down to the description, start your free trial of ClickFunnels, head on over to my Facebook group, watch some of the past videos on how to use ClickFunnels, how to get started. We're not going to get into a big tutorial, but I'm just going to show you real briefly because this is the next step. You absolutely have to have a funnel. Once you've got your message, once you find your voice, you need a funnel to automate everything and bring people down that sales process without you having to do all the work over and over and over again. So basically this is it. It's a very simple 2-page funnel right here. I got a welcome page. I'm split testing 2 different things right now. Like this headline said on the left says, discover how I completely replaced my full-time income in just 20 days. The free video reveals how you can do the same right now. And then we'll look at that real quick, or we'll look at this one over here. This headline says, for anyone who wants to start making money online but doesn't know where to begin. Perfect, because that's literally, this is my story, right? I wanted to make money online. I had no idea where to begin. This is the challenge that taught me and kickstarted my results. And as you can see here, right? Like, discover how I started an online business that earned over $6,000 in just 20 days. Let's edit this. I don't know why this quote is here. Perfect, glad we're doing this. But yeah, and this is not a lie, guys. This might sound like clickbait, but it is not. Like, I want to share with people the exact same process. Like, I had generated $6,000 in just 20 days. I got almost 5,000 of that in 7 days. So I'm continually learning, continually trying to share that with people, but this is how I got my start. And it's just a cute little picture of me and my wife, like, showing the freedom side of things, right? Like, we're outside, we're taking a selfie, we're out in the woods, like, life is good. So then where should I send the free video? They put in their email address, they click the button, they go to the next step in the funnel. Now you have their email address, which is the next step. And we'll talk about that in just a minute. So then anyway, you come back here and then you go to the next page. So once they click that button, now they're here. So now they're in the second step of the funnel. They're going down the sales process. And then I got a short video here about 2 minutes long, just introducing people to me and my story, just a little bit, and letting them know what to expect. And then as you go down, they can go right here, and that's how they get taken to the next step, which is, so we go back here, right? We go back here, select a product you believe in. Step 3, now you're building your funnel. So you have the product you believe in, right? That is where you put in the link right here. So like, check this out. You go here, you click on this video. This is the funnel. Let's preview it. You go here, you click on this video, you're at this page. You love what I have to say. You're excited. You think the 15-day challenge is going to be great for you. You want to work with me more. Boom. You click this. Bam. Now you're at the sales letter for the 15-day challenge, right? And it's somebody else's product, right? That's the beautiful part about starting an affiliate marketing business, is like, you don't even need your own products. You just connect people to products that have impacted your life. And this is all the amazing stuff they get, like, when they join, right? All this. And so they watch this video and then boom. Yeah, I love that. So they get started, they pay the $7, they go down the 15-day challenge, they start transforming their life, and you get paid a small commission for it. Like, so that is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. That's how I got started. And that's how, honestly, about 90% of my revenue in my business right now comes from affiliate marketing. So there you go. Back to the funnel. It's super simple. You got a welcome page, and then this is called the bridge page. And that is where you introduce them to the offer and you allow them to click through to the offer. And then whenever they buy, even if it's not right then, they may buy later, you get paid a commission for it because they click through using your buttons. So we'll move on from that. So building a funnel, and then the 5th step is integrating an autoresponder. And now this one is a little bit more advanced, but I like to teach it from the start. You want to do it right. You want to play the long game. Collecting emails is where the money is at. Email marketing, for every $1 you spend in 2019, businesses received 43x on their investment. So you put $1 into email marketing and you make 43 back. Can you see how powerful that is? So like when you go back to that funnel, you don't have to have this step right here. Like you could just have the bridge page right here. You click that link in my TikTok profile, right? This link right here, up here, right there. You click that in my TikTok profile and it takes you straight to this page. Or you can link the sales page to, or the affiliate link, the whatever product it is you selected, you could just link that directly. But I believe in playing the long game. I believe in teaching people the right way from the start. And that is why on this page, you collect an email address, because then you can, right here, because then you can integrate what's called an autoresponder. And like, if you go back over here to my ClickFunnels account, I've had over 5,000 people give me, let's get out of here, give me their email addresses in just a month and a half, right? And this is just what's through ClickFunnels. I have about another 1,000 that I've done through a separate thing, but right here, like all those people are on my list now and I can market to them over and over and over again. So not just like, so with the integrating an autoresponder, right? You collect their email and instantly the autoresponder sends them an email like, hey, thank you. You tell them a little bit more about yourself and then you give them a chance to watch that video again for the product. And you build out an entire sequence. Like I've got a 30-day sequence for the legendary 15-day challenge. Like if you put your email in there, you're going to get 30 days worth of emails from me with valuable content in there, sharing more about my story and giving you opportunities to go down that challenge. So autoresponder is absolutely huge. You want to be collecting email addresses if you're in it for the long term and you want to play the long game. And the last thing you do is you start spreading your message through social media. Facebook is a great way to do it. I've got group hacking strategies over on Facebook. If you're in the Facebook group, you can, or follow me on YouTube. You can check out the page, check out the videos that we posted about ClickBank in interacting in Facebook groups to drive sales that way. It's a completely free way to get started. Again, I don't recommend the free ways to get started, but I want to put them out there and let you guys know what's out there. Again, this video right here, I'm showing it to you because it's exactly how I started. It's the roadmap to how I started. And it's the roadmap to how I teach and want to share with other people. I want you guys to do this the right way. I don't want you to just go grab a random offer off ClickBank and go in Facebook groups and start promoting it because you want to get money. Like, the point is to actually serve other people and to share your message and to spread your message. And I always say, turn your mess into a message, right? So spread your message through social media. I prefer TikTok right now. TikTok has absolutely amazing organic traffic. They're encouraging creators right now. Not a lot of people use TikTok for business. More and more are starting to because they're seeing the opportunity. They're seeing people like me have success with it and actually build brands and build businesses completely through TikTok. So yeah, TikTok is trying to encourage creators over there. There's no other platform right now. You could go make your first video and TikTok will show it to 1,000 people. Like it's easy. Like I've built in a little over a month, I built my own hashtag, the Dadtreprenewer. I built a hashtag to over 1 million views. Just a hashtag. Like all my views together, all my profile, I'm up over 5 million views now. But like my hashtag alone, I started that experiment 7 days ago. And my hashtag now is up over 1 million views. So promote your message through social media. And tips for promoting your message real quick is just be authentic. Be who you are. And tell your story. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Don't be afraid to tell people who you are. Now, don't try to get sympathy. Just include your story in there and be vulnerable. But nobody likes somebody who's constantly got bad things going on and trying to get sympathy and trying to get attention. So anyway, that's just a quick tip to start spreading your message. So again, let's review this real quick. Your winning edge formula for success, or your roadmap to success, the way I started, is determine your why. Select the people you want to serve, select a product you believe in, build a funnel, integrate an autoresponder, and spread your message through social media. And if you guys want to learn about any of the things that I mentioned in this video, like ClickFunnels, the 15-day challenge, certain autoresponders to help you get started, all the links are in the description below. I love you guys, and hopefully this helped, and hopefully it gives you a more clear direction on where and how to get started. I'm out.